Across Africa, a number of long-serving presidents continue to shape the continent's leadership landscape. Let's take a look at 6 of Africa's oldest presidents. First, Paul Biya of Cameroon. At 92 years old, Paul Biya of Cameroon stands as Africa's oldest and one of its longest-serving presidents. Born on February 13, 1933 in Mbameka, Biya has been in office since November 6, 1982. Having ruled Cameroon for more than 4 decades, his presidency has been characterized by strong central control and limited political opposition. Jean-Lucien Kwasi Lagnon-Savi de Tove. In Togo, Jean-Lucien Kwasi Lagnon-Savi de Tove, aged 86, is one of the country's most senior political figures. Born on May 7, 1939, in Lomé, Savi de Tove has long been involved in Togo's political landscape. Over the decades, he has held various diplomatic and advisory positions, shaping national policy and representing the country on numerous international fronts. Peter Mutharika of Malawi. Malawian President Peter Mutharika, aged 85, was born on July 18, 1940, in Chisoka, Nyasaland, now Malawi. A constitutional lawyer and academic by profession, his administration prioritizes economic growth and infrastructure development, but it was also marked by allegations of corruption and electoral irregularities. Teodoro Obiang Nguema Mbasogo. In Equatorial Guinea, Teodoro Obiang Nguema Mbasogo, aged 83, holds power as the world's longest-serving president. Born on June 5, 1942 in Akwakam, Obiang came to power through a military coup on August 3, 1979, and has ruled to date. Alassane Ouattara of Ivory Coast was born on January 1, 1942 in Dimbokoro, now 83 years old. He has been in power since December 4, 2010. A trained economist and a former IMF official, Ouattara is credited with transforming the Ivorian economy and maintaining relative stability after years of political crisis. In Zimbabwe, President Emerson Dambujo, also 83, was born on September 15, 1942 in Zvishavani. Mnangagwa rose to power in November 2017 following a military-assisted transition that ousted longtime ruler Robert Mugabe. His rule promised reform, but Zimbabwe continues to face economic and political challenges. And that's a look at some of Africa's oldest presidents.